Could Samsung's latest decision with the Galaxy S25 Ultra signal a step back for the beloved S Pen? With the launch just around the corner, leaks have been ramping up and fans are eager for any news. A promotional video appeared briefly before being pulled, and now new official-looking images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its S Pen have surfaced, raising some eyebrows. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. Now on to the details. One of the biggest changes fans are buzzing about is the S Pen. Since its introduction in 2018 with the Galaxy Note 9, Bluetooth connectivity has been a staple of the S Pen, allowing users to control presentations, take remote photos, and even use air actions for gestures. However, it seems that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to abandon this feature, focusing instead on a simpler experience centered around writing and sketching. This shift has been hinted at by a recent promotional image shared by Taran Vats, which emphasizes basic functionalities like note-taking and drawing. The image suggests that the S Pen might no longer support Bluetooth, a move that has left some users questioning whether they'll miss the advanced features they've come to rely on. Despite the absence of Bluetooth, the S Pen will still be able to summon Air Command, a menu that offers quick access to stylus-compatible features. This might sound like it requires Bluetooth, but in reality, it relies on electromagnetic resonance (EMR) technology. This technology allows the display to detect the S Pen when it hovers near the screen, meaning that Air Command remains fully functional even without Bluetooth. So why would Samsung choose to remove Bluetooth from the S Pen? One possible reason is that not all users find Bluetooth features essential. By eliminating Bluetooth, Samsung might be able to offer other enhancements, such as a finer 1.5mm tip for more precise drawing, improved durability, and an overall better sketching experience. These improvements could help users focus more on the core functions of the S Pen, making the loss of Bluetooth less noticeable. The new design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra also deserves attention. The leaked images reveal slightly rounded corners and flat sides, giving the device a fresh look while maintaining its premium feel. This design change, coupled with the updated S Pen, shows Samsung's attempt to innovate while refining the user experience. For those who can't wait to get their hands on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, pre-orders are already open. Reserving the phone not only secures your device but also offers some enticing perks. By reserving early, you can earn a $50 credit, up to $1,250 in additional savings, and even a chance to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. It's a great incentive for fans who want to be among the first to experience the new features and design. As we look forward to the official launch, the big question remains, will Samsung's decision to simplify the S Pen experience be a win or a loss for its loyal user base? While some might miss the Bluetooth features, others might appreciate the focus on refining the essential functions of the S Pen. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. See you in the next video.
Rumors about Samsung potentially removing Bluetooth connectivity from the S Pen in the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra have stirred up a mix of reactions. Introduced with the Galaxy Note 9, the Bluetooth-enabled S Pen allowed users to perform tasks like controlling apps remotely through air actions. For those who embrace these features, a change may seem like a step backward. Yet many Galaxy S Ultra users might not even notice the difference, raising questions about the true impact of this decision. Air actions, for instance, enable remote gestures for controlling select apps, making the S Pen a unique tool for tasks, like presenting slideshows or snapping photos from a distance. However, while these features sound impressive on paper, their real-world utility often left much to be desired. After switching from a Galaxy Note 10 to a Galaxy S22 Plus and experimenting with the Galaxy Tab S7 FE's S Pen, I rarely found these advanced features indispensable in my daily life. The excitement surrounding the S Pen's Bluetooth features often faded once users faced the practical limitations. Compatibility issues with apps and the limited scope of air actions reduced the appeal. What initially seemed like a groundbreaking innovation eventually felt more like a gimmick that failed to integrate seamlessly into everyday usage. This disconnection between potential and execution may explain why some users won't miss the removal of Bluetooth features. However, it's essential to acknowledge that not everyone shares this perspective. For those who utilize the S Pen's camera clicker functionality, the removal of Bluetooth could be a significant loss. This feature, which allowed users to capture photos remotely, proved to be one of the more practical and widely appreciated uses of the S Pen. Its simplicity and reliability made it a favorite among users who value convenience in photography. Another layer to this discussion involves the potential removal of the S Pen's gyro and accelerometer sensors. These sensors, essential for transmitting motion data, enhance the S Pen's capabilities, making it competitive with tools like Apple's Pencil Pro. If Samsung does not introduce an alternative technology like ultra-wideband (UWB) to replace Bluetooth, the S Pen's ability to serve as a sophisticated drawing and writing tool could be significantly diminished. The public perception of such a change could also pose challenges for Samsung. If the rumors are accurate, removing these Bluetooth features might lead to negative publicity. Even those who do not regularly use the S Pen might view this as a regression, providing critics with another reason to question Samsung's innovation compared to its competitors, particularly Apple. Despite these concerns, there is a potential silver lining. By shifting focus to the S Pen's core strengths, such as its use for drawing and writing, Samsung could revitalize its appeal. Emphasizing these foundational features might resonate with users who prioritize simplicity and reliability over more complex, less practical functionalities. A refined focus on these core aspects could position the S Pen as a more versatile tool, appealing to both creative professionals and everyday users. While the rumors suggest a potential scaling back of the S Pen's features, it's worth considering that Samsung might have a strategic plan in place.
Are you ready to be amazed by the latest innovation in smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is here to turn heads and set new standards. As we inch closer to the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, promotional materials have already given us a sneak peek at what's to come. These images reveal the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in breathtaking silver and blue finishes, leaving tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the official launch. One of the standout models in the lineup is the blue Galaxy S25. Or could it be the S25 Plus? Either way, its sleek and vibrant design makes it a clear favorite among the early glimpses we've received. The glossy finish and elegant lines are hard to ignore, promising a device that's as stylish as it is powerful. While we only caught a limited view of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in these promo shots, what's visible is certainly enough to pique interest. The Ultra model has always been Samsung's powerhouse, and this year seems no different. The inclusion of the S Pen is a pleasant sight for fans of Samsung's stylus, though there's still some speculation about whether or not it will retain its Bluetooth functionality. Until we have official confirmation, the rumors will continue to swirl. According to previous leaks, the color options for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are nothing short of impressive. Customers can expect to choose from titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will be available in colors such as ice blue, mint navy, and silver shadow. For those looking for something a bit more exclusive, Samsung's website will offer additional color variants, making it even harder to choose just one. Samsung is known for its grand unveilings, and this year's Galaxy Unpacked is set to be no exception. To add to the excitement, Samsung has already opened up reservations for the Galaxy S25 series. This means you can secure your new phone before it officially hits the shelves. And if that's not incentive enough, reserving a device also enters you into a chance to win a $5,000 gift card. It's a win-win situation for those eager to be among the first to own the latest and greatest from Samsung. As we count down to the official release, one thing is clear. The Galaxy S25 series is poised to deliver a perfect blend of aesthetics and performance. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant colors, the cutting-edge features, or the promise of a powerful S Pen experience, there's something in this lineup for everyone. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.